Hello everyone. So what we're looking at today is 8-3, simplifying expressions. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So simplifying expressions has more to do with our order of operations. So this whole chapter is going to have a lot to do with order of operations. So we're really going to work through and work on making sure you know the appropriate order to solve our expressions. So what order should you use when you simplify an expression? Jack evaluated 7 times 2 minus 3 plus 2 squared times 1. To avoid getting more than one answer, he used the order of operations given. Order of operations. Evaluate the inside parentheses and brackets. Evaluate terms with exponents. Multiply and divide from left to right. Add and subtract from left to right. So first do the operations inside the parentheses. So look at our parentheses. We have 7 times 2. 7 times 2 is 14 minus 3 plus 2 squared times 1. All right, next, evaluate any terms with exponents. Well, if we look, we do have an exponent, our 2 squared. So remember, 2 squared means we're taking 2 times itself twice. So 2 times 2 is 4. So now we have 14 minus 3 plus 4 times 1. All right, next, we multiply and divide from left to right. Well, where's our multiplication or division? That would be right here. 4 times 1 is 4. So we have 14 minus 3 plus 4. Then our last step, we add and subtract in order from left to right. So we start over here. 14 minus 3 is 11 plus 4. Now we do 11 plus 4, which gives us 15. So our answer is 15 for this. All right. Our next one, we have 8 plus 14 divided by 2 minus 3 minus 1. So what do we start with? We start with our parentheses. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we have 8 plus 14 divided by 2 minus 2. All right, what comes next? Do we have any exponents? Nope. What about division or multiplication? Yes, we have 14 divided by 2 right here. So we have 8 plus 14 divided by 2 is 7 minus 2. Next, we do adding and subtracting from left to right. 8 plus 7 is 15 minus 2. 15 minus 2 is 13. All right, our next one. We have 7 times 6 minus 1 plus 10 squared. So, do we have any parentheses? We do indeed. 6 minus 1. So we have 7 times, what is 6 minus 1? 5 plus 10 squared. Now, do we have any exponents? We do indeed. 10 squared. So 7 times 5 plus 10 squared is what? 10 times 10, which is 100. Next, we do multiplication. So 7 times 5 is 35 plus 100. Last we add, so 135. Excellent. All right, next one. What do we do first? 4 times 3, since there's no parentheses or exponents. So that's 12. We're adding 17 to it. So 17 plus 12 is going to give us 29. We have 8 plus 1 plus 3 squared times 7. 8 plus 1 is 9, since we start with the parentheses first, plus 3 squared times 7. Now, do we have any exponents? We do indeed. 3 squared, so 3 times 3 equals 9. So we have 9 plus 9 times 7. Next, what do we do? Our multiplication. 9 times 7 is 63. We're going to add 9 to that, so it's going to give us 72. Now, there is one kind of question that is on your assignment that is not included in this. that I want to make sure you understand how to do. So sometimes we're going to have expressions that have letters in them. When we have this, it's going to give you the value for that letter. So an example would be 30. Whoops. I don't know why I'm on mark. Oh, that's why. Would be 39 divided by B plus 7 when B equals 3. So we know what B equals. So what we're going to do, so B is a variable. It's what's known as a variable. Variable is your key word for this lesson, variable. So because we know B equals 3, we're going to come over to the actual problem, and we're going to replace this B with the 3. So our problem is now 39 divided by 3 plus 7. So now that we have it substituted in, we're going to take and do our order of operations. There's no parentheses or exponents, so we start with multiplication division. So 39 divided by 3 is going to give us 13 plus 7. 13 plus 7 is 20. So there is our answer. So anytime you're given a variable like that, it's going to tell you what to plug in for the variable. You just replace your variable, in this case B, with what it equals, 3. Okay? And then work out the problem. All right, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a wonderful day.